What about the project?
So, judges, first of all, good afternoon. Myself, Sai Krishna Nanda, a student of class 6 of Odisha Adarsha Vidyalaya, Khaprakul. So, my project name is Green Energy used in Smart City. So, green energy refers to the energy which is produced by all natural substances and which is renewable and cause minimal pollution like sunlight, water, tide, wind, etc. So my project has 10 main component. First of all, automatic traffic light, solar car, helical wind, automatic car charging, automatic street light, solar car parking, solar tracker, smart dustbin. That's all. So first, green energy. So first, I will tell you about solar tracker.
Yes.
Solar tracker is an emerging technology.
Okay.
It uh, takes the energy produced by the sun to the next level. It has an IR sensor attached to it. So whenever it is sends the sunlight, it will give signal to the motor driver, which will move the motor driver. So now I will tell you how this is done. Now you can see this torch will work as like sun. So first I will turn on it, and as you see, it needs a little darkness.
I know.
So see how it is. You can see how it is.
Okay.
This is how it works. Next, the hydrogen solar panel. It is made from two main parts: hydrogen tank and solar panel. Solar panel is a device that converts solar energy into mechanical energy or any energy which is used for uh, uh, cooking food, running vehicles,
Yes.
and next. See, imagine a situation where there is no sun and it is a rainy day or a night. This pipe will absorb the water vapor and store it in a tank. This tank will electrolyze the water. This by a process called electrolysis. And in this tanker there will be a uh, fuel cell which will divide the water into two main parts, hydrogen and oxygen. The oxygen will have one more electron than the hydrogen, so the electron will move around. This uh, this makes electricity. Next, the smart car parking. It is charged with the solar panel, and whenever the car will enter it, the IR sensor fitted inside it will turn on the light, and the other driver will know that there is a car inside it and do not park in here. Next, the solar car. The solar car, I have I have shown a model of it. So the solar car will have a solar panel attached to it, which will divide, no, which will convert the solar energy into the electrical energy and store it in a battery. And when the electrical energy is used to run a car. Next, the automatic street light. The automatic street light have an IR sensor attached to it. So whenever a car is uh, have gone near it, they will turn on automatically and conserve energy.
Yes.
Next, the helical wind. Imagine there is a situation which is a rainy day and there is so much wind. The wind will move the helical wind like this, and the helical wind will convert the uh, mechanical energy into electrical energy by a dynamo fitted inside it. Next, automatic car charging. Nowadays, there are so many EV cars running on the road, but there are no charging services on the road. So, my project has a conducting coil on the road. Due to e- electromagnetic induction, the car will get charged automatically. Next, the automatic street light. Automatic street light have an LDR module fitted inside it. So whenever it gets night, they will automatically get turned on, and what is they will automatically get turned off. It will conserve energy, and also it will less the workload on the um, persons. Next, the smart dustbin. The smart dustbin has a IR sensor fitted inside it. So whenever the garbage is full, the light will turn on automatically and signal the person who was assigned to it. Empty it. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Psychosis Nanda. Well done.